Dear parents, it's your kids LKG class. Before we start to teach the student of LKG, I like to advise you all because they may stay with you and they may learn and they may practice at home if possible. Because I think their classes will start after 17th June. So till then they have to study and they have to learn something before coming to school. First, there may be practice to write letters, alphabetical, that means alphabet from A to Z in capital letter. They have already practiced in play group while they are studying in play, but they have to practice it again. They may be write from A to Z, if possible for 3 times. They have to write in their copy and in plural copies, and they have to practice to write small letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All these letters they may be write and practice at home. Every day they have to learn one letter. Every day. They only just you have to give them to write or their task. One page E. Capital and small, just to write for them capital and small, and they will practice for one page. If they do so, then they can able to write from A to Z. It will be very easy for them if they are quite unknown about the numbers or letters. How can they write? How can they write words begin with A, B, C, D, E to Z? While they will come to school, they may be learn the words. Before we have to start words, you are requested to teach or inspire your kids to write small letters positively at home. From A to Z in small letters. It is important because without learning small letters, they can't write words. So before starting writing words, they must have to know the small letters positively. And please tell our student, our kids, to practice A to Z at home. And again, they also be advised to write numbers from 1 to 30 at least. 1 to 30 in figure. In 30 in figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ऐसे लिखना है. One, 2, 3, 4 to 30. At least they have to learn the numbers till 1 to 30. And in words from at least 20. ONE1, TWO2 in words also. If it will be difficult for them, better may advise to write at least 10 till they will be now in words. Numbers and A to Z in small letters, that's important for them and they must have to learn all these letters. Then O से जितना हो सके, अ आ हर्षे दीर्घे हर्षो दीर्घो रु रु ए ऐ ओ क ख ग घ ओडिया रे जेतिकी संभव से माने प्रैक्टिस करिथिबे कारण तांकर ओडिया रे जेतिकी अछि वर्णमाला अ ठारू ल जाए सेटा शिखिबे वर्षकर पाठ सेत पय तो आमको जी संभव घरे शिखिपर ओ जाके हो बा टठ जाके हो जी शिखिपारे से शिखिले भल कारण आम समस्ते अभिभावक आमर ओडिया वर्णमाला संगे परिचित आउ यह भी यह लगे डिफिकल्ट नुहे से माने केवल प्रैक्टिस आसते एलकेजी जी अच्छी ओवरऑल वर्क ये करेबू तो जिते बड़े से स्कूल को आसवे तो एटलिस्ट अ ठारू जी अक्षर संभव 3 रोल कॉपीज से प्रोवाइड कराई एडमिशन समय 3 रोल कॉपीज रे से माने ओ सठिक भाव में सुंदर भाव में लिखे गोटे गोटे पेज जदि लिखि जी से गुड़ी आम करेक्शन करूँ अ ठारू जी संभव जी शिखिपारे किंतु पैटर्न गुड़िक मुझे आम हॉलीडे होमवर्क रे मेंशन होती से पैटर्न बा से फॉर्मेट रे देबे अ ठारू जी अक्षर हो पार सी तक निश्चय शिखिबे तो विभिन्न फॉर्मेट जो दिखाई पर अक्षर पर संख्या पूर्व संख्या बा मझी संख्या बा मझी अक्षर से फॉर्मेट देले से माने रिकॉल करिया को सुविधा हम से मन रखापी सुविधा हम यहाँ एलकेजी टिप्स थिला और जिते क्लास से फनी हम बेटर में शेयर योर फीलिंग्स एंड लव विथ देम always ask various types of questions. What's your name? What's your father's name? That's related about themselves and about school, about color, about bird, about their body, parts of body, all these things. Orally they may be learned. Suppose I have to ask about the parts of their body. Oh, show me your head. Show me your fingers. How many fingers do you have? They may be answered 10 fingers. Show me your belly. Show me your eyes. How many eyes do you have? I have 2 eyes. They will answer like this. What color is apple? Apple is red. You may be asked various types of questions. What do you feel? All these tasks are given in their holiday homework, but you have to share your feelings with them. Better they may be known callers, fast callers orally, then animals, birds, flowers, fruits, parts of body. About family, about himself, about family, about school, about school. Only you may ask related these questions, just I'll tell you colors. How many colors are there? What you are well known about it? They may be answered, that's red, green, blue, yellow, white, brown, act. And if possible, put them various types of colors here and tell us or ask your kid what color is this, which color is this, maybe here. Red, green, yellow, brown, black, white, all purple, green, all these colors better they may be known. Animals, cow, dog, buffalo, sheep, lion, tiger, all these are wild animals and domestic animals, just you have to tell them that. Birds, peacock, crow, pigeon, sparrow, act. Flowers, that's lily, lotus, shoe flower, marigold, act. Fruits, mango, orange, apple, banana, guava, all this. And parts of body, head, nose, eyes, ears, hands, fingers, and legs also, better they may be known orally. Just at home, they may be spend time with merriment, and you should have to spend some time with them by which they will be funny and easily they will catch all these things. They may remember all these things. Just you may try to teach something at home, and then the rest we have to do for them here. Thanks you all. Try to understand the situation and cooperate us to teach your kid perfectly. And I said toys a better result in future. So they are the future. They are the backbone of our country. In this crisis, in the period, we should have to have courage and patience also, and we should have to take care of grid. Thank you all.